Wisdom Wednesday. It's the day before Thanksgiving Wednesday. And I just wanted to tell you a little bit about what I like to do. So every Thanksgiving, I like to give an ornament to each of my kids. I have 7 children, and each one gets one, and it's kind of hard, every year to come up with something. So I haven't really decided. Maybe you can help me. But in the meantime, I'm making a couple of different ones. This one is just a cute little folk bird. So I'm just going to foil these and just kind of make them quickly here. But, I like to do that because, well, for one thing, before they were married or went off to college or wherever they were going, I thought, wouldn't it be nice if they had their own little ornaments to take with them? And so each year I started to make one for each of them so that when they left, they had a little tin of ornaments so that they can have, just a little start at least for their tree. So that was kind of the idea of it. And now I just continue. It's kind of fun to go over to their house and see the ornaments that they've done. And of course they have their own designs and stuff, and they've collected as they've moved away and stuff. But it's kind of fun, and so I continue to do that. So this year, I don't know if I'm going to give them a little bird because frankly, I think I already have. So it might have to be something different. But I also want to put a different ornament up every day for at least a week. So you might see one of these little birds all finished in one of the Instagram posts. That's a good reason to tune in, right? Okay, but this is just kind of an idea of what they're going to look like. So just a cute little folksy bird with a fat little body and a beak and a tall, weird looking tail. So that's an idea. Okay, so I want to show you what else that I'm doing over here at the kiln. So I'll show you this. Be careful, don't get too close because it's hot. All right, so I am going to put on a glove, heavy-duty glove, and lift up so you'll be able to see how this is going. It's been in for a little while. All right, so it's not really done anything yet. You can just see that all the pieces are still kind of sharp. One fell off. That's okay, that happens. All right, so I will show you those later, one at a time during the week. And maybe I'll even come up with some new ideas. So, kind of different things about our Wisdom Wednesday. First of all, I'm so grateful. I'm grateful for you for watching. I'm grateful to have this opportunity to make beautiful glass. I'm grateful for my family and being able to make them little ornaments every Thanksgiving for their Christmas tree. And it's just a time to be thankful for all of the blessings that we have in our lives. So happy Thanksgiving to you, and check in later and I'll show you some of these ornaments. Bye.